Hi friends, today we are learn about how to uninstall any software from Windows 11. So let's start. First of all, we need to click on Windows icon, then click on setting. In setting, we can see the apps option. Click on apps, then select install apps. In install app, you can search which software you need to uninstall. Search, and after that click on three dots and select uninstall. Then again select uninstall, and you can see the uninstall is started now. Take few minutes to uninstall, and it's done.